What are you going to do to me?
Mr. Squidward, I should
This message is transmitted at the request of the Highway Transportation Department and the Federal Aviation Administration. Earlier tonight, a southbound Airlines Douglas DC-3 aircraft was hijacked over Indiana and vanished off of the radar. The plane was spotted 20 minutes ago by a Cessna 172 single-engine plane. We want to make it clear that if you are on the ground, the plane is not dangerous to you whatsoever, and the Indiana National Guard just needs you to report the plane if you see it. If you see the aircraft, call 555-234-2370 and give its exact coordinates to the number. The plane is described as being painted completely red, and has one ending on both of its wings.
Yo quiero Taco Bell. Right now, get a crunchy, cheesy Mexican pizza for just 99 cents when you buy a...
This message is transmitted at the request of the Fairfax County Police and the Virginia National Guard. Earlier tonight, an Oceanic Airlines Boeing 747 was hijacked 6 minutes after taking off from Dulles International Airport. It is currently unknown what the motives of the hijackers are or if the hijacking is in any way connected to the Indiana Douglas DC-3 hijacking earlier tonight. Anyways, the hijacked Boeing 747 is currently flying at an altitude of approximately 80 meters at a speed of 500 miles an hour over populated areas in Fairfax County. Please get to the basement of your house and assume the turtle position under a table in the corner of a room, in case the plane crashes. Please keep a radio or iPhone nearby for more updates on this developing situation.
My name is Cecil. I'll sell you gas or diesel cars on my lot. Some of them new, some of them not. I got a tricked out crew.
Just 30 minutes ago, 5 Trans-to-Value Airlines Boeing 737 seconds and 1 Sakhalin Airlines Airbus A380 were hijacked out of Baltimore Washington International Airport. The hijackers are confirmed to be Sokovian soldiers who are angry about how Nickelodeon has removed the SpongeBob episode Midlife Crustacean from airing. The Sokovian soldiers are saying that if the episode is not put back on the air, they will divert all of their planes to an island in the Pacific called New Sokovia and put the United States government in an even stickier situation than they are already in. The planes including a Douglas DC-3, a Boeing 747, an Airbus A380, and 5 Boeing 737 seconds are currently off of the radar and are supposedly flying across the continental United States. If you see these planes which are expected to be flying at an altitude of 3,000 meters, please call the U.S. military hotline at 555-787-7478 and alert the hotline of the aircraft's current coordinates. The Sokovian hijackers have stolen at least 100 new passenger planes, prompting a grounding of all planes in the United States. The planes range from CRJS to a TR 72 seconds to McDonnell Douglas DC-10s to Boeing 747 seconds to Airbus A380s and many more types of planes. The planes have all met up information, and an estimated 1144 people are on each plane. The planes have reached Nebraska, and are going to the Pacific Islands now because Nickelodeon has not yet released New Life Crustacean. Please continue hiding and keep a radio or phone nearby for more news on this developing situation. All 100 planes hijacked by the Sokovians have crashed into each other and have caused a massive explosion. Shelter in your house immediately. All 100 planes hijacked by the Sokovians have crashed into each other and have caused a massive explosion. Shelter in your house immediately. All 100 planes hijacked by the Sokovians have crashed into each other.